going to be talk about all my books I have written. So here is the books. I'm in a library. So there's many books. And I have this candy book. It has many funny stories. And here's this diary. This diary told me some things I'm great at. And here is a diary of many insects here, like grasshopper, bee, dragonflies, and here is there's many books, and the books are very thick, so I can't read it all because they just put it all up in a plastic bag. Wow, this balloons. I like stories to read here because there's many things too. Here's my favorite part to read the 12 horoscopes. There's many books here and even stories for kids. Story times. We always read. So many books here. So we have to go to the things we have to learn. Here is a books to learn. There's Japanese, Korean, and Chinese. There's even IELTS. This can help you with English. Can you read that one? That is the grade up there. So we have to learn. These books can learn for grade 4. Here's the comic books. There's One Piece, Shin-Chan crayons, Dragon Ball, Doraemons, and Conan's. This is the books for detective. Look at the shade. This is just like a worm wiggling around. Funny. Okay, bye.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car.